Hey guys, just a quick drive-by review on hair. Hopefully everybody's doing well. It's Marla. Today's going to be a hair day drive-by review because two products that I have fallen in love with and have now become part of my everyday hair care routine. And they are from a company that I actually have products upstairs that I've purchased myself, hair masks specifically. The company's name is Adwoa, and I'm sure you've seen them. I think they're sold at Sephora. Love this product. This product was sent to me from Adwoa for my review, and what it is their Adwoa Beauty Melon Berry Hair Milk Leave-In Conditioner Cream to Spray. It is like a creamy conditioner that you shake up and you can spray it on wet, damp, or dry hair. And what it does is, and I'm going to read on the side here, it contains Kalahari melon seed, that is wild watermelon, that has excellent moisturizing and conditioning properties, actually for both your hair and scalp. It contains red raspberry seed oil, which is an antibacterial that helps calm inflammation, and it's a great source of vitamin A and E. It's great for your scalp for hydration and hair and moisture. And it contains strawberry seed oil, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, and that's going to help protect from hair loss and also sun damage and promote hair growth. Love this product from Adwoa. This has become part of my everyday hair care routine now. What I did last night was I just washed my hair, and instead of spraying on my normal detangler, I sprayed this on my hair, and this does not weigh your hair down. As you can see, it detangled my hair so my silicone brush could get through it, and it just moisturized the ends and just left my hair feeling soft but not weighed down. Love this product. Secondly, the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Treatment Serum. I never used to put serums on my hair because I had yet to find one that I could put on my hair and not make my hair feel greasy. This serum is fabulous. I put one drop on one side of my hair and one drop on the other side of my hair last night. You can see my hair is not weighed down at all. I actually can poof my hair up as much as I want if I want to. This is called the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Treatment Serum that's going to strengthen and repair your hair without silicone. The scent of Adwoa products. I believe they're sold at Sephora. If you're in Sephora, just open one of their products and smell that blue tansy scent and you will fall in love. And I did. I have masks upstairs that I constantly purchase from this brand, but this serum is fabulous. I'm going to read on the back. It says put on wet, damp, or dry hair. I prefer to put it on hair that's been slightly towel dried. It says the Blue Tansy Treatment Serum is silicone free and will help to smooth and promote shine without leaving your hair feel greasy or weighed down. And the serum will also help to reduce breakage and protect hair from heat damage. Protect hair from frizz. It's humidity resistant and it's a thermal protectant. It will protect your hair from heat damage from styling tools. Both of these are fabulous. If you're looking for some great hair care products, take a look at them. They are wonderful. I give them 5 stars. They're cruelty-free. I use a lot of treatments on my hair, a lot of masks to try to, just make it shinier and give it more body. Love these. So I'm going to put a link for both of these hair care products down in my description box. Take care, guys. I hope you enjoyed this drive-by review. Bye-bye from Marla.